Hello. If you want to change style of a voice, effects such as speed, pitch and volume, and apply those changes to the whole text, which will be read by that voice, you can do that here. You click on a voice in Text-to-Voice application in Kukarella, select style. Some voices support styles, some do not. So if voice supports styles, just choose the one you need. Update effects if you want, and click on this play button to listen to voice sample.
Depths of the Pacific Ocean. Volcanic vents create underwater lakes of superheat.
If you're satisfied with these new settings, click update voice settings, and now Jenny will be reading all text with this default settings. Those will be default ones. You can do the same thing with all other voices which you use for voiceover. Again, they support different styles. You can choose whatever you want. Remember to click update voice settings, and that's all you need to do. But let's say that you want to change settings for a certain paragraph. So for Jenny, default style is newscast, but let's say that you want to change her style for this line to different style. You can go to effects panel, choose different style which you want to apply, and so now all lines except this one, Jenny will be reading with newscast style. But when you click here, you see that in effects panel the style is changed to cheerful. So that's how it works. So we have voice level settings, which is default settings used to create voiceover for the whole project, and text level settings, which can be controlled from effects panel. Hope it's not too complex. And similar thing is how it works in Dialog.ai. But instead of voices, we use actors here. In the same process, you click on actor, choose style, the voice which is selected for that actor supports styles, update effects, speed, pitch and volume, listen to preview. If you're satisfied, click on save and close.
The Amazon rainforest, a remarkable orchid, blooms just once every 8 years. The ghost orchid produces ethereal white flowers that appear to float in darkness.
Yeah, just click save and close, and again it will be applied to all lines read by this actor. And again, if for some reason you want to change style or effect for any paragraph, just select that paragraph, click on effects, and change style to the style you need. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions, and share your feedback. Thanks.